Everything you need to start a mobile spray tan business is right here on our website. Let's build a kit together. First, let's start with your training. Our certification programs actually come with a spray tan solution starter set, as well as training and a manual, and even some additional courses. You get a lot when you purchase our training. But we also have worked with recommended vendors for your equipment. So let's take a look at that. Under the professional equipment section on our website, we have vetted each one of these pieces of equipment and they are suitable for your spray tan business needs. The spray tan tent, extraction fan, and Fiji sprayers all can be purchased directly on Amazon and come with free shipping. When you click the Buy Product Now, it takes you to Amazon where you can add it to your cart and enjoy free shipping. The unit we use most and what you'll see in training videos is this one by Apollo. When you click on our website, it takes you directly to the manufacturer's website so that you can get it directly from them. While they don't offer free shipping, they do have amazing customer service. We highly recommend that every person that wants to be a professional tanning artist have a tanning tent, an extraction fan, and one HVLP unit to go along with your training. It's super easy to build the perfect kit at the best price right there on our website.